Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Let's start today's class. Okay, students. So, students, in the previous class, we have learned about my descriptive paragraph. Okay, so today's your topic is the first draft of the whole paragraph. Today we will write the first draft of the whole paragraph. Got it? Okay. So students, today's keyword is draft. So can you tell me what is draft? Something written as a rough copy and not as the final one. Okay, जो final नहीं होता, something written as a rough copy and not as the final one, जिसको हम rough copy में, that is called draft. So student, I hope this keyword is clear to you. So student, this is your descriptive paragraph that is given in your content book. So now let's read how to write it. So by beginning by saying what or what you are writing about. Next, say what is special about them. So this is the beginning part of the sentence. In the beginning part of the sentence, we write down the name of the person or thing or animal. Then we write what is special about them. Okay. Then middle part. In the middle part, we describe how they look, give details that create a picture of them, and say what they usually do. So these are the details we fill in the middle part of the paragraph. Next one, and with the fun detail. We end the paragraph with the fun detail. So here the descriptive paragraph is about a dog. Okay, neighbor's dog Tom. So in the beginning part, here my neighbor's dog is called Tom. Tom is the tallest dog lived ever seen. He is a great Dan. Okay, so this paragraph is about Tom, and here what is special about them? Tom is tallest dog, so this is special about the dog. Next one, middle. Tom has very long legs. He has a heavy jet black body, a big head, and pointed ears like little horns. So in these lines we describe the dog, how the dog looks, and now we will create some details like that. I can hear Tom's loudly bark from my house, and like to pet his soft and thick fur. So these are the details about the to create a picture. ओके, हम इससे जो ये डिटेल है इससे आपको क्या हो, आपके माइंड में डॉग की पिक्चर बन जाएगी कि डॉग कैसा दिखता है और कैसे टच कर रहा है वो. ओके. नेक्स्ट, टॉम रन्स वेरी फास्ट. ही चेजेस फाइंड एंड अदर डॉग्स इन द पार्क इन and sometime raise him there. So these are the details that we usually that the Tom usually do. I hope it is clear to you, students. Next one is the end part of the paragraph. Tom is friendly dog. He wags his tail. So this descriptive paragraph is about a dog. So student, now tell me, how did you begin your paragraph? When you write a paragraph, so tell me, how did you begin your paragraph? So in the first sentence of a paragraph should make it clear who or what we are writing about. Next, the beginning should also say what the person, place, thing or is special to us. So in the first paragraph we write down the name of the person or animal that you want to write down. the paragraph is about and what is the special in it. Now look at this. So I write some lines on my paragraph is about a rabbit. Okay, so in the beginning I will write my pet rabbit is called Binky. Binky is white with brown spots. She has long ears and pink eyes. Okay, so this is the special. The paragraph is about Binky, and what is special about Binky? So Binky is white and brown spots. She has a long ears and pink eyes. So this is the beginning part of the paragraph. Okay, students. I hope it is clear to you. Next one, when we write down about Binky, so your paragraph looks like this. My pet rabbit is called Binky. Binky is white and brown spots. She has a long ears and pink eyes. She loves lactose. Binky loves playing hide and seek. She hide in bushes, and I couldn't find her for a long time. So this is the paragraph when we write about the Binky. Here the animal is Binky, and we write down about what is special about Binky. So now next tell me, what did you write in the middle? What did you write in the middle when you wrote a paragraph? When you write a paragraph, so in the middle should give details or how the person, animal or thing looks and what they usually do. Next one, we must think carefully about the order in which we write the sentence so that the paragraph makes sense. Okay, so that's in the middle part we write down the details about the animal or about the person that we write down that we want to write. Next one, can you tell me what funny or interesting detail did you write at the end? Yes, a funny or interesting detail can be particular event or some funny habits or details of the person, animal or thing you are describing. So we have to write down a funny habit or funny detail about the person or animal that you have to write down or that you have to describe in your paragraph. So I wrote a paragraph about Pinky. So I add a funny detail in the end. So this is the detail. At night, Binky's eyes looks real, and I feel like we are in the jungle. So this is the funny thing about Binky. Okay, I hope students it is clear to you. So a paragraph have three parts: beginning, middle, and ending part. Okay. Next one. Now let's discuss our worksheet. So this is your worksheet 2.3. Writing a descriptive paragraph. There is a question 1. Look at the notes you made in your worksheet 2.2 and rough draft you wrote in the class today. Write the fair version of your paragraph here. Remember to. So you have to write down a paragraph that you have. You take details from your 2.2. Which animal or person which animal or person that you use in your 2.2, so you have to write down the same here. So first part you have to write down. Firstly, begin by saying who or what your paragraph is about. So what is the paragraph about? My paragraph is about my dog or about my cat that you have written in your 2.2. Okay. Next one, including how the person, animal, things looks. So this is my paragraph that I have written. So my pet rabbit is called Pinky. So you have to write down about the name of the animal or name of the person. You have to write down in the beginning. Next one, Pinky is white and brown spots. So you have to describe the person or animal, how they look. Next one, including what they usually do and what makes them special. So you have to write down what is your pet animal or what is the person that you have write down in 2.2, what they are usually doing. Okay, and by giving a funny detail or interesting detail about them. So you have to write down a funny detail in the last. Give your paragraph a title. So you have to give the paragraph a title. So my pet animal, I give the title my pet animal Binky. So you have to give the title like that, my pet animal or my favorite person. Okay, like that. So students, I hope it is clear to you. You have to complete your 2.3 after watching this video. So student, thank you for watching this video. Watch it carefully. We will discuss it in your next online class. So bye bye students, have a nice day.